For intellectual design. As you can see, the mattresses are on the little red wagon. It's the original radio flyer, and of course, it's attached with none other than the premium Weed Whacker line, all synced into our patented design system drive shaft onto my bike. Look at that beautiful knotting. We might want to loosen that up a bit. See, we have a lengthening and shortening system all built in. Yes. Okay. Then another patented design, the front barrels design, which may lack in my steering ability some, but it is still beautiful. Then it is also hooked onto Nick's bike, so we get to double the torque and double the fun. Now for our brilliant machine in action.
No.
This is good. No. Come on. Come on. Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Wait, my kickstand. Come on. Oh, something strapped. The string strapped.
Oh no. Pause the camera.
Pause the camera. All right, get ready.